and welcome to Traveling Marlins. I'm Gail.
And I'm Mark.
And this is the Traveling Marlins channel where we want you to have the best day ever. Last week, we shared with you my news about being diagnosed with cancer. And I want to thank everyone for their thoughts and their prayers. And it has really helped me. I think it's helped both of us a lot. So we very well appreciate that.
We also, I think last week, showed you an RV park where Gail and I disagreed on the quality of the park. She changed her mind a little bit when she saw the water that was coming out of the system that
I did.
the filters I have caught. So, you know, it's just one of those things you deal with and you move on. As she says, she always tries to find the good in everything.
Yes.
It's not that I find the bad, it's just that sometimes it slaps you in the face.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, true. And again, as Mark said in the last video, it has changed owners, and I think they're going to improve everything. So
Hopefully.
Yeah. So I will put a link to that video right up there, and also in the description below. And then also I will put a link to our Colorado playlist, and it's still growing because we still have places that we're going to go to in Colorado. So I'll put the link up there and in the description below.
This week we're going to show you, we left Montrose, headed east on Highway 50 towards Canon City. I don't know, it was a 180-mile trip or whatever it was. But you have to really look at it. There's a website that Gail can link in the video below that talks about the construction times. There's only like a 2-mile area of constructions, but it will back up and it will hold you back because during the week, like Monday through Friday, they go down to one lane. And we drove over there, Carl and I drove over there just to see how bad it was, and we got stuck in like an hour and a half traffic jam just for a little 2-mile area. But if you do it on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday, they have both lanes open, so you can just go through it, and it's not too bad.
Yeah, and that's what we did in the bus. That's why there wasn't any traffic when you see it.
We drove over there just to see how rough the road was. You know, it had some little rough areas. You can kind of hear when I hit them because the shades up in the front windows are rattling around. But it's kind of rough in certain little areas, but all in all, it was not bad at all.
Yeah.
And this trip also takes you up over Monarch Pass going into Canon City. So, you know, again, that wasn't too bad either.
Yep. So sit back and enjoy this episode.
Yep.
Oh, really?
That's where we got stuck in traffic. We waited for an hour.
Oh, I didn't know that.
About right here.
Really? And now there's nobody.
Yeah, I got out of his truck because I had did about 100 push-ups. Then he got on the back of his trailer, started doing dips.
Did he really?
Yeah. You should have seen.
Oh, really?
He was a monster. He was strong. That man was strong.
Wow. That tells you...
Right around this next curve so you get in the traffic or the construction.
That tells you that he takes advantage of every chance he can to do stuff like that.
Yeah, he just got there with people watching. He started doing push-ups on the side of the road.
Wow.
Right. I mean, he was off on the side, kind of in the back there on that curve, a little dirt. He just started doing push-ups.
You should have recorded him.
Now, this is Jake braking third gear holding us back.
Yeah, I noticed when I was in the back, I could hear something different. So I guess it was the Jake brake.
I haven't had to hit my brakes once going down this.
Oh, really?
What is that dirt? That was the nasty part over there. I hate to say that. I know you won't say anything negative, but that was,
I just looked for the good.
yeah, but sometimes you don't need to look for good. It's just nasty. I'm just, see my foot, look at that. I'm not on, that's just the Jake brake doing its job. Okay, the bus air is off, okay.
And this goes for how long?
2 miles.
Oh, that's not bad. And you rode this in the pickup?
Yes.
We're off-roading. You don't find that hilarious? Okay, Sheldon.
For what it's worth, I thought it was humorous.
Was that good for you?
Yes.
I don't view this as bad.
I don't either.
There is currently light traffic on your route.
Thank you, Nikki.
Do they really need to put a sign out that says no center stripe?
I was thinking the same
I mean,
thing.
really, do they?
And then to have it in the middle of the construction. By the way, you don't have a center stripe and you haven't had one for about a mile. What river is this? Do you know? Look it up. Okay, this is the Arkansas River. Or Arkansas.
That's where you are.
Yeah. Arkansas River. Canon City, 32 miles. But we're this side of it, right?
Yep. 4 or 5 miles away.
Guys, we just had a fantastic breakfast at Romeo's in Salida. Try the pancakes that have, get this, cheesecake inside. It sounds weird, but it was fantastic. And yeah, I'm sure there's lots of calories and my sugar high is up to the roof. But it was definitely worth it.
This is really neat right through here.
Oh, it is. I like it. I'm recording. I like that formation right there, that rock formation right in the middle. How close are we now? 13 miles?
13 till we turn into the park.
Sweet. Well, it's the RV park's called Mountain View, so maybe these are the mountains that we're going to view. Possibly. And if it says Mountain View, there's evidently not many trees because the trees would get in the way of your view of the mountains.
Is that your logic?
Yes. Mountain View. Why else would they come up with an RV park
That means
like that?
you might be able to view it in the far distance.
Well, yeah, that's what I
Might
mean.
be able to. Doesn't say you will.
I know. But there probably aren't that many trees because you wouldn't be able to see the mountains far off in the distance. Because the trees would be in the way.
They're on the mountain though. You know?
No, I'm talking about trees in the RV park.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Somebody help me out here. It's like talking to a rock. Pick
Yeah.
one. Pick a rock. Good morning, horses. Hi, sweetheart. Your nose looks like a camel. Yours does too. Oh, I know it. I know. Oh, goodness. Hey, little one. You're bashful, aren't you? Are you shy? You are. You are a little shy.
I had one yet. There you go. There you go. You had one. Here. Okay. You get this one. Okay. You get that one. Okay. Okay. You get that one. Okay.
Uh-oh. It's all gone. This is a nice site right here. The previous owners said that there were 3 sites that they purchased, and this is one of them. I don't think the new owner is doing that anymore. He didn't agree to that. So I'm not sure how you rent these sites or if you can. So I'm not sure. And we have a very nice site. Unfortunately, this tree snapped off, it looks like recently. And I have my hummingbird feeder. Oh, there's Mark feeding the horses some carrots again. This is a very nice RV park. Let's go up here. Diesel, let's go up here. Let's go this way. Over here.
The further down you go out, where them dark winds blow, the more you lose your souls. Way to get back home. These streets are quicksand, and this city is.
Here's the restrooms.
And there's a lonesome eerie fog out on the low side of the tracks, where desperation holds its prisoners like a Venus
Here's the
flytrap.
laundry.
Hope in shadows shines like Klondike gold.
Men's bathroom over there.
Do I still believe in magic? Yes, I do.
Oh, there's men's bathroom on this side too. So I guess there's 2 bath houses over there too. Men's and women's. There's Mark and Carl.
I got home.
There they are.
I hope that all those lost
And there's Joanna.
can find their way back home.
And there's Roxy.
And what are their names?
Shines like gold.
Walter and Gordon. Hey guys, Walter. Oh, okay, you're Walter. Hey, and you're Gordon. Hi.
Saw him apart, so he named him Gordon Whitefoot.
Oh, gotcha.
And we really encourage you to subscribe to the channel. It helps the YouTube algorithms unlock tools for us to help make better videos for you guys. It shows that, like 90% of the people who watch don't ever subscribe. And we would really encourage you to subscribe. It does help us.
Yes. And also, if you want notifications, which will help you greatly, especially now since our little detour of the cancer, it'll help you know when we drop videos. So if you change it to the black bell, that will help that. And again, if you don't want notifications, that's fine. Stay subscribed, but just change the notifications to none.
In the comment section, say hi, make comments about anything we talk about, and give us ideas of where you've been that we might enjoy going, and we'll respond to you.
Yeah, that makes it nice.
So
have a great week and have the best day ever.
Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.